Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can clean iPhone charging port. So if you have some kind of tool for it, good for you, or a brush should also do just fine, like this one for example. The only thing that you need to make sure of is that the brush itself is non-conductive, so by cleaning the charging port you will not create a short in the circuit. From my personal experience, I could also recommend, if you do not have any brushes as well, I could also recommend that you can use a wooden toothpick. Just make sure that it is made from wood, since wood is non-conductive, so it is safe to be used inside the charging port. And also it is worth saying that cleaning or clearing the lightning charging ports is way easier than it is in the Type-C, since the lightning is kind of hollow inside, so you can gradually take out the trash, dust, and any other particles that may have made their way into the charging port here. If you have a toothpick, also just gradually make the following swipe movements, I would say. Just do not press hard to avoid damage, avoid any scratches. You can also accidentally, take off the contact layer of the charging port. Just be gentle. As long as you will be gentle and you will, take those dust and other particles like that, you should be fine. So, returning to the charging port conversation, the Type-C unfortunately is not as convenient to clean, since, as we all know, the Type-C is not hollow inside. It has like the wall in the middle here, the metal wall. Not wall, but you got the point, I hope. So it is way harder to get properly inside the charging port and clear out all the trash. But as long as your iPhone has the lightning charging port, you shouldn't experience any issues or difficulties whatsoever, as long as you're gentle. And the most important thing once again, as long as you use something that is non-conductive. And as far as this video goes, that will be it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.